channel. As you know, I'm Kia Farmer, and I'm here with my husband Jamal Farmer, my video man, and we're here to show you our Sandals Hotel in Barbados. So if you come in, you just get this random corner where I guess you can store your luggage or anything, and you come straight into your bathroom. And we have like a stand-up shower with the waterfall coming down, so I'm really excited about that. A nice mirror. Say hi, Jamal. And we have a full-length mirror, which I love because I don't think our other hotel had a full-length mirror. I don't know what's in here, but it's a closet. So, okay, so in here we have our closet so we can hang our stuff up, and then we have our safety deposit box. Is that what I call it? Oh, just a safe. Safe. Just a regular safe. Don't mind me. And then as you come in, we have our little bar. And the cool things about Sandals is they always stock your bar, and you can tell them like what wines and stuff you want your bar stocked with. So right now we just look like we have a white wine and some juices and water. And then we have a red wine up here, so that's nice. And then when you come in, you get to our room. So, you know, we have our bed, have a nice little desk, television that we're probably not going to be watching, dressers, drawers, a little seating area. Really, really cute. And then when you get out, we go out, you get to our best part if you open the door, which is, there's a tub outside on the balcony, which is super duper cute, and you can pull the curtains back and have your bath outside looking over at the pool, or you can just have your breakfast outside on the balcony. As you can see, it's freaking gorgeous. So yeah, so this is our hotel. We're really excited. We just got here, so we are going to change clothes, wash up a little bit, and get ready to go out. I'm starving, so we're gonna go out and get some food.
Hey, couch.
Good morning, guys. So it is really our first day, our first full day at the Sandals Resort in Barbados. We're up bright and early at 7:30 in the morning so we can go to breakfast. It feels so great out, and it's just like so beautiful.
Yo.
I bet.
He is, oh my god. So they came and knocked on the door last night, and they tried calling, but I was asleep. They knocked on the door and they're like, he's passed out over here in this thing. Like, cause he left to go find the sunglasses. I'm like, the sunglasses were right in the room.
Okay guys, so my camera died while we were having breakfast, but after that we just kind of walked around the resort. Now we are about to go set our reservations up. It looks kind of cloudy, but it's not supposed to rain. And then go have a pool day. It still feels good out though. It's kind of windy. Yeah, anything to say to the vlog?
Blessings.
So Our house is over there. And this is where everybody else's house is. So we were trying to figure out what we like better because you know we went to Sandals last year in Ocho Rios, and this is the one in Barbados. But this one's definitely newer, but we're still trying to figure it out. But the food at both has been really, really good, so that's a plus. We got an orange on. Freaking roosters. Is it raining? Some drops. Don't rain on me. So this side is the Royal Barbados. Yeah, supposedly. And the other side that we stay on is just the regular Sandals Barbados.
Hey guys, so we just left the pool and now we're about to go play volleyball. I got Candace, I got Jamal, he's about to get another drink. This is the pool. Show y'all. Yeah, so we're about to play couples volleyball. Jamal don't got no faith in me. I don't have much faith in myself either, but we gonna see what happens in this life. I don't even know how we're gonna play couple against couple though, because we don't have an even number of couples. It only makes sense to play girls against guys. I think we can win. I think we should. I think we should do girls against guys. Because how we even do couples against couples?
Couple, it's a couple, and it's a couple.
Well, so it's gonna be 2 against 1. Right. I say girls against guys. Oh, we big friends, so we do a big thing. Yeah, I say girls against guys. It's just, that's the only way that makes sense. They go Robin, Jasmine. My boo Candace. Jamal. Cool eyes. Look at them. Alright. Uh-oh. They like the weather might defeat us, guys. The rain is coming. So like this is cute. It's like an infinity pool. If the rain comes, I'm definitely. Yeah, the infinity pool. It's super dope. And then the bar is up there. That's where we've been hanging out this whole time. Drinking and such. Now Jamal is showing us our way to the volleyball. If y'all want new towels, y'all can throw them in there and get new towels.
Okay. And I was thinking about where we can put our stuff.
Oh, like right here on these ones?
Yeah.
Okay, Robin, Jasmine. Hey.
You gotta get a ball?
Yeah. Did she say where?
I'm trying to figure out what that thing is right there.
Hey, what the one over here? Oh, okay. You want to get
What are you trying to see?
Look at that the little chair with the wheels on it.
Oh, I don't know. I know they had like the bicycle type at the last Sandals, but I don't know what that would be. Like you just go out there and sit on the water? I wouldn't trust that.
No, I'm not.
You like, I don't trust the water, period, actually.
It's beautiful. It's gorgeous. I get it a little bit, but.
Yeah.
Right here.
I think I'll put my cup on.
Right here.
You're lost?
No.
Oh, I was like, wait, what?
So, what we doing?
I
gotta get the other side done.
We have to do 3 versus 3. That's the only way.
So what's the team?
That shit ain't hurt. That ain't hurt.
Oh, yeah, it hurt.
Yeah. Talk about that ain't hurt.
My leg got like 2 times bigger than what it is.
I'm
and
sure.
I had to get on the plane the next day.
You got
I sat there for the
y'all
whole
cut.
thing.
I ain't even cut like that yet.
And you got color too.
Well, you get one.
Shit.
All right, what's the 10? What we gonna do?
Look, he
3 on 3. Y'all ready?
He ready. Jamal, how we do on volleyball?
Y'all did terrible.
So 3 people can go knocking on.
I was Kobe
y'all
out there.
door.
I had LeBron right here. You ain't gonna get LeBron, man?
All right, there go LeBron.
The strategy was to keep hitting the ball to you or Candace.
They ain't even
You know,
This nigga.
Jasmine, she did all she could do. Yeah.
Hey, we played a good game. The girls served well. We did it.
How did Candace hit the ball?
Not good enough.
How did I hit the ball? What you talking
Oh my God. Eyes closed, two fists like this. Oh! Missed everything.
Jasmine out. I was like, oh.
Yo, if she would have hit the ball though, the ball would have went up there.
Jamal, where I hit the ball at?
Over there, hitting the people in the head.
Over there. Next.
You got real.
She was trying to get some coconuts down.
I got too real. She tried to lose the ball up there.
I said, watch me end this game. I don't know what the hell I was thinking when I
There
did
go
that.
Rob. Who was
eyes
Rob?
closed.
Who was Rob on your team?
Rob, he was like D-Wade out there.
He was like D-Wade. There go Rob, D-Wade.
Rob, you was out there like D-Wade.
For sure.
Is that a good thing?
I'm about to be LBJ on our team, so
That's cool. Look, what's the team? We gonna get
Let
one
you
more.
know we.
One more, we mixing up the teams. Cause it was too easy. Y'all suck.
Why we at the, you know, at the end when like they pick teams and then the two people left it?
Oh yeah, I guess I'm definitely gonna be
Who
the
captains?
one.
Who captains?
I should be. Captain.
I should be a captain because I
okay.
already.
Jasmine, you a captain?
I'll be a captain. Who wants to be a captain?
Jeremy, you a captain.
All right. Okay.
See, Jeremy got to pick you because if he don't,
He ain't gonna pick me.
Rock, paper, scissors.
Jeremy, how you not gonna pick Candace?
Come on, rock, paper,
All right,
scissors.
wait a minute. She asked me an important question.
Are you gonna pick Candace? Your
I'm
girl?
going to pick her.
See?
Last.
All right, let's go. Rock, paper.
Like, just in case nobody else want it first.
Okay, ready? Yes. First pick.
First pick.
All right, let's go, Maul.
Ooh, she know who to get LeBron.
All right, Rob.
Yeah.
I knew she was going to do that. I'm tired of her ass anyway.
He said, hi, my ass. Yeah.
It's my turn?
You don't get to pick. You're not captain.
Oh, I'm not the captain. You the captain. You the captain?
You on his
I
team.
got you. Bro, I'm playing with... Oh, you got me?
Yeah.
Oh, we winning. 4 new games.
I don't know what this is.
Well,
I'll take Candace.
see?
Yeah, I tried to pick you.
Now I'm last pick, y'all.
I was going to pick you anyway, so you good.
Now I'm last pick, y'all.
I'm gonna have to take.
Come on. But we gonna win though, so it don't even matter. I ain't helping nobody first. Man, it's hungry. I'm getting hungry.
We had that word. Okay, so y'all said, what do y'all get?
I like the fish and foil, but he likes the jerk. I don't eat chicken, so
Get the chicken and sausage and then sweet potato.
I think I'm gonna get the fish and foil and the sweet potato and the hard dough bread. What did we like that last time? Or was it gross?
I don't think so. Maybe try the dumplings. You gonna try that?
Is it meat in it? No, oh, I'm gonna do that.
I know what I'm doing.
It's kind of sweet.
Yeah, I like
The
that.
fried dumpling?
I'm gonna do that. I got sand all on my breast.
Yep.
I want the jerk chicken and the fish and pork.
After this, going back to
I got the fish and foil. What you get, Jamal? Jerk chicken and jerk sausage.
Thank you.
It is good.
Candace got fish and foil and chicken.
No, you totally. I just want to move it out your way. I appreciate you.
And these are like
Thank you.
sweet dumplings.
And this bread, you just eat this bread like this.
It's bread, man.
Okay.
Oh, that's like hard dough bread.
Yeah, I wondered, yeah.
Yes. Thank you. guys, so it is our third day at the resort. We just came from breakfast and now we changed into our bathing suits because we are going to go and chill and hang out at the beach and stuff. It has been a really good time so far. The only thing is the weather. It's been good, but it's been really windy, so that kind of prevented us from doing any type of like water activities in the beach. But yesterday we were just in the infinity pool and we had a really good time. And then we went to dinner at their Indian restaurant called Bombay here, and the food was good. It was okay. It wasn't the best to me, but I still enjoyed it. After that, we just went and chilled on the rooftop and all hung out. It was a really good time, and we saw the eclipse. I didn't even know an eclipse was supposed to be happening that night, but we saw it, so that was pretty cool too. And then we came back in and got up for breakfast, and now we're here. And also, it's our anniversary, so it's officially 1 year married, and we're going to be celebrating that. We're going to have our official anniversary dinner tomorrow night because that's when the reservations we could get were, but we're still going out to a steakhouse with one of the other couples tonight, so that's going to be fun as well. And we're all going to wear all white and take some pictures because we all brought all white because they were having an all white party, but it's going to be on Wednesday or Thursday when we're gone, so we won't be able to attend it. So we're just going to do our pictures in all white. So it's just been a really good time. Yep. Well, I will show you guys when we're at the beach and everything, and see you later. Bye.
We gotta go hard for our last day. Jamal, action.
1 year?
You're not gonna say, what's up, happy 1 year, how your trip been? This guy, you're too cool for me. He's too cool. That's why I just be recording you, because
That's all I got right now. I gotta get some drinks in me and we gonna get lit.
Yeah,
Jazz got the energy.
yeah, come on,
Happy
Jazzy.
1 year, guys! So happy for you guys!
Thank you. Y'all are happy 1 year? Yes, happy 1 year. All right, now it's drink time.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed part 1 of our Barbados anniversary vlog. Part 2 will be up on Tuesday. In the meantime, if you haven't already, watch our couples Q&A with Jasmine and Rob. It was super duper fun to shoot and very funny, and it will help you get to know us better if you want to. Once again, thank you so much for watching our vlog, and we will see you guys next week with part 2 in Barbados. Bye.